Can you use $100 to start arbitrage trading? And the answer is absolutely yes. This is one question a lot of people ask over and over, whether $100 is enough capital to start arbitrage trading and not only start but make money, right? So yeah, the answer I've always given them to those that ask is yes. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can use $100 to start arbitrage trading and become profitable using exchange to exchange arbitrage. So if you're interested in this type of content, please like, subscribe, and let's dive right into the video. So now, first things first, you have to find a coin you have to exploit. Multiple coins, because you're on a tight budget, right? With $100, it's not small, it's not much, but you have to make the most out of that $100. So we won't be exploiting just one coin, right? We'll be exploiting multiple coins to hit a threshold that is actually reasonable for us, right? So the first coin is this Giza USDT. Now we're exploiting this particular coin. We're buying cheap here and be selling high at the next exchange. So with our $100 capital, we'll be getting this coin at 48,076, right? 48,076 Giza. That's what we'll be getting, right? So we're buying at the market price, which is 0.008208. The orders here are actually very small, so it will easily fill out, right? You can see it's actually moving now. So we will cancel a lot of orders, basically. That's what it means. So let's copy this out and check the profitability on the other exchange, whether it's worth it. Then we can go ahead with it, right? So here is where we'll be selling this particular coin. You can see that the coin is actually minus 7%, right? 71% or minus 8%, right? So it's even low here compared to what it was before, but it's actually higher than the last exchange we got it, right? When I saw the opportunity, it was way higher, but now at least it's correcting or something. So we'll be selling at the current market price, which is 2137, right? So we sell off instantly. We're not here to waste time because we're looking to make money ASAP with that small capital we have, right? So the quantity we got, let me just place it here, right? It should be somewhere around 48078, I guess. So we're getting like 2.7% here. That's what we'll be making from this particular arbitrage, right? $2. Now if you factor in gas fee, right, you might be taking around $1, right? Sending it here, okay, let me just say it will take around 7 cents. So let's take off the 7 cents and we'll be getting $2. And if you are looking to sell at this price, we'll be getting actually $4, but it won't be instant, right? But the instant price will be on this particular one, 0.00218. So now we've got $2 with $100, right? Now some people relatively is more, some is okay for them. Now we have to do this again multiple times, but then we have to look for other arbitrage opportunities to cover up. Now because our money is in MEXC, we'll be looking for opportunity in MEXC. So what we do now is find a coin that is cheaper here and is more expensive in another exchange, right? Now if you are trying to send the money to the next exchange, that exchange will got Giza at, right? It will mean that we will send USDT there first of all, then buy it again to sell here. That's how it will work. And that with our $100 that is limited, it will be challenging. I hope you get the point. So what we're looking for now is an arbitrage opportunity on MEXC, because this exchange I'm using now, this particular place is MEXC. So we'll be buying on MEXC and selling it to the next exchange. So let's actually find the next coin on MEXC, right? So let's go. So the next coin we'll be looking for here, I mean, I have a lot of coins I can actually exploit on MEXC, because MEXC is one place I actually see a lot of arbitrage opportunities that is exploited, right? So now if we are looking at this way, it means that we'll be buying this particular coin here on MEXC, then sending it to this exchange. So I'll just as well check whether it's still profitable, right? So the current price of this coin is 0.220, right? That's the current price. I'm using this particular current price because if you're not using it, I mean, it's mostly like instant buy, but then that's the current market price. So we'll be using the money we got, which is $102 at this point, right? So we're getting 461 B, right? That's what we'll be getting. So the next exchange we're selling this at is beats get, right? So let's just search this B up. I mean, network is being hell since rolling has been falling, right? So you can see the price here. B is 0.22, right? Way reasonable for us to exploit. The volume is there. The volume on the 24 hours volume on USDT and 24 hours volume on the coin itself is actually crazy. The order book, I mean, you can see is actually very active, right? So let's just check this out. Now we got the amount we got. We're pasting it here. We're selling at the current market price as well, right? So because it's more instant than putting a fixed price. So just select the current market price, and let's place the amount we got, which is like okay, 461.9, right? So with this current market price, we'll be getting like $3, right? No, we'll be getting like extra $1. I mean, it's not much, but yeah, it's still what it is, right? The price is still increasing, so we'll be getting extra $2 from this particular arbitrage, right? You can see the current market price is still increasing, so we'll be getting like $2. Remember, we got this with 102, so we're getting $2 extra from this. Now minus the gas fee, which is actually very cheaper there. Let me even check the gas fee. So the gas fee on B, let me select the network. You can see BNB is matching. Please make sure your withdrawal address and chain match each other otherwise. So the withdrawal is actually active, and the gas fee on BNB is matching. That's what we actually be using because the cheapest 0.2, right? 0.22 cents. That's what we're using. If you are using Ethereum, it's not even much actually, 0.8, but it's more expensive. So we're using the BNB smart chain, and it's very cheap. So network fee is just 1B, so 0.2.